Alright, fashion lovers, let's dive into the art of pattern mixing. Mixing patterns can be daunting, but with a few simple rules, you'll be strutting the streets like a style icon. First up, the DOs. Do start with a neutral base. Think black, white, or beige. It grounds your look and makes adding patterns easier. Do mix different scales. Pair a big, bold floral with a tiny, subtle stripe. It creates balance and keeps things visually interesting. Do stick to a color scheme. Pick a color family and stick to it. This keeps your outfit cohesive, even when you're mixing it up. And don't forget about texture. Adding textured patterns like tweed or lace can elevate your look to the next level. Now the don'ts. Don't mix too many patterns at once. 2 or 3 is the sweet spot. Any more and you risk looking like you got dressed in the dark. Don't mix patterns that clash. If your patterns are competing for attention, it's a no-go. They should complement each other, not fight. Don't forget about proportions. If you're petite, avoid overwhelming prints that can swallow you up. Instead, go for smaller patterns that won't overpower your frame. And finally, don't be afraid to take risks. Fashion is all about expressing yourself, so have fun with it. Mixing patterns like a pro is easier than you think. Just remember these do's and don'ts, and you'll be on your way to mastering the art of pattern play. Hit that like button if you found these tips helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more fashion insights. Catch you in the next video, stylish souls.